So this is a happy news. This is a happy patient I'm going to tell. So this couple was married for 6 years and now the UPT has come positive. I'll tell the history what we had done. So they came to us and the husband is also working abroad. So he comes here and stays 2 months in a year. So whenever the couple was with us for the past 3 years. So whenever he comes here, we used to try a IUI, but the things didn't work out for him because his motility and morphology also a little poor, and a wife also, she had mild menstrual cycle issues. So what was the thing we did? This time we did for the IVF procedure, and you can see what are the blast form. And today I'm telling this when the couple has become positive. So it's a happy news, and we thank God for this.